all have one thing in common, that is to be happy. We plan things, we do things, we hope for best things to happen in an expectation that it makes us happy. If we do this, then we'll be happy. If I get this, then I'll be happy. What happiness means to one person can be different from another. Shall we take a moment today and ask, why depend on a certain factor, a moment, a thing, or a person to make us happy? Instead, what if we try to appreciate the things we already have? What if we try to be happy in the present moment? I thought this to myself and decided to take a challenge. That is, I try to practice gratitude every day for a week. Challenge is to think about 3 things I'm grateful for first thing in the morning. Write them down 2 times, once in a notebook that I can look back to in the future, and the second one is to write them on a sticky notes and place it in a place that I can see the whole day and remind myself of the things I'm grateful for. So when I woke up this morning, I closed my eyes and thought about 3 things I'm grateful for. Today I'm so happy and grateful for my beautiful family that loves and supports unconditionally all the time. The roof over my head that's providing me shelter. The fresh food I get to eat every day. Today is the first day. I followed all 3 steps of this gratitude challenge. As soon as I wake up the first thing in the morning, I thought about 3 things I'm grateful for, and after getting freshened up, I wrote them down on a sticky notes, and just now I wrote them down in this notebook. When I did this every time, I felt so happy instantly and it brought a smile on my face. I could feel the difference I was feeling about myself, and it obviously had a great positive impact on my surroundings as well. So in a day, I'm writing just 3 things I'm grateful for, but I'm telling it to myself and writing them 2 times a day. With this, I make sure it sets my gratitude mood for the entire day. Even if I forget or start worrying about the little things that may happen in the day, I will have the visible sticky notes right in front of me to remember the things that I'm grateful for. Today is the second day and I followed all the 3 steps of this gratitude challenge like yesterday, and I'm feeling absolutely, how do I express this feeling? I'm feeling absolutely contented. I'm so happy that I took this challenge. And even though my challenge was to list just 3 things I'm grateful for in a day, by doing that it helped me to notice so many other beautiful things I'm grateful for. For example, I'm grateful for this camera that's helping me to film this video, the internet through which I can share this content with you guys. I'm so grateful for you beautiful people for watching my content and liking it. I genuinely thank each one of you for trusting me and being with me in this journey. I get so many lovely comments and you guys reach out to me saying that you love my videos. Your comments, your messages make my day and motivate me to do more videos. Share your gratitude with others. Research has found that expressing gratitude can strengthen relationships. So the next time your partner, your friend or a family member does something you appreciate, be sure to let them know. Saying thank you, writing letters of gratitude, by going through grateful motions, you will trigger the emotion of gratitude more often. On days when it's difficult to find gratitude by looking the things around you, then you can try senses, touch, different textures, scent that you are grateful for. When we express gratitude, we often think about the people and things we are grateful for. And first 3 days I did the same too. Today I wanted to go even deeper and think about the things I'm grateful about myself. So here is what I wrote down. We often underestimate the joy that we get from little things or little moments that happen in our everyday life. Saying thank you, holding the door for someone can change the tone of your whole day. So today is the day 7 and I feel so proud of myself for completing this challenge. Although the challenge was to list just 3 things I'm grateful for in a day, so 21 things over the past 7 days, I ended up writing about 70 to 80 things I'm grateful for in this week. So what I learned is the more I bring my attention to feel grateful for, the more I notice what I'm grateful for. So start observing the things around you and say thank you as you notice. By doing this challenge, it's helping me to become more aware of the things around me that I'm grateful for. It's helping me to appreciate the little things in my everyday life. Practicing gratitude has incredible effects, from improving our mental health to boosting our relationship with others. And I can certainly feel it after practicing gratitude for a week. We are all blessed with endless list of people and things that we are grateful for. Whether it's your family, friends, car, education, home, the city you live in, your colleagues, your work, the fresh air we breathe in, the list is endless. So instead of complaining or cribbing over little things, if we focus on the things we are grateful for, our life becomes much easier, we become much happier, and we can spread this happiness to the people around us. If you can follow this every single day or do it in the first thing in the morning, no worries, anywhere, any time of the day you can do it. Actually, why not do it now? Pause this video, close your eyes and think of 3 things that you are grateful for. Done? How are you feeling now? Do you feel any difference? Share it in the comments. I'm so grateful that you watched this video. If you found this helpful, then please hit that like button. See you next time. Until then, have a great time and don't forget to appreciate the little things around you.